Hi everyone, I'm Nur of University and today help your tour guide. I will show you the waterfall Thunder Roar Lubuk Jambi. Look at that, very beautiful, right? Yeah, there is already provided for a place where we enjoy natural tourism. Now, here are also many people selling. Look at that, the steps are so make your eyes careful. Yeah, be careful guys. Wow, look at that. Yeah, this is the view. Very beautiful, right? There also has several levels of waterfalls. Wow, so good, refreshing your mind. There's also several falls, so beautiful. Have you been here? If not, let's visit this beautiful place. Wow. And the next trip is Soriek village. Here we can ride a toy pedal, relax enjoying the twilight, relax waiting in the sunset, relax while eating. We now good. Nah, and this is the next view. It's very beautiful. The lights are green and colorful. There is drawing them perfect for cars of you where to make pictures. So good, be colorful. Thanks for following me to watch the video. See you. Bye.